Hello children, let us continue our chapter Time Goes On. Today we are going to study the true story of Perki Devi. Let us start. My name is Perki Devi. I live in a village in Dhanbad district in Jharkhand. I never got a chance to go to school. I remember that when I was 5 years old, I broke my foot. I had climbed a tree to eat the jamun fruit, but the branch broke and I fell down. My foot still hurts in winter. While grazing our goats, we often got busy in playing. Once, at the age of 10 years, I got a big scolding. I had lost one goat. At the age of 15 years, I was married. My husband was much older than me. My first daughter was born 3 years after my marriage. Later, I had 3 more children when I was 20, 22 and 24 years old. Time passed very fast then. I was busy with my farm, housework and looking after my animals. But at the age of 35 years, my world came to a stop. My husband fell ill and died. His brothers tried to take away our farm. They beat me badly and said I was a witch. Some good people saved me. We fought a case against those who beat me up. At the age of 40 years, I saw a police station for the first time. When I was 45, I learned to read and write. 2 years later, I got my eldest daughter married. Now I am 50 years old. I enjoy playing with my grandchild. 2 of my children are studying in school. Now, some things that happened in her life are given below. Mark these on her timeline. Children, timeline means a line on which things that happened in her life at different time will be marked. For example, when she was 5 years old, she broke her foot. So, on the timeline, the place where 5 is written, it has been marked with A. Next one, it is given lost one goat. Now she lost her goat at the age of 10. So above 10 we will write B. In the next one it is given got married. She got married at the age of 15. Now we all know that 15 comes between 10 and 20. So between 10 and 20 let us mark in the center that will be 15 and above 15 we will write C. Next one, had her 4th child. She had her 4th child at the age of 24. 24 will be somewhere in between 20 and 30. So between 20 and 30, the middle part shown by blue line will be 25 and before 25 that will be 24. So it will be marked with D and we will write 24. Next one, first saw a police station. She first saw the police station at the age of 40. So on 40 we will write E. Next one, learned to read and write. She learned to read and write at the age of 45. So between 40 and 50 we will mark 45 and we will write F. Last one, eldest daughter got married. Now the eldest daughter got married at the age of 47. So between 45 and 50 we will mark the point G and write there 47. Next question, mark on the timeline when she was born. Now we know that when we are born we are 0 years old. So on the timeline the place where it is starting is 0 and we will write there she was born. Next question, in the blank box draw a picture of Perki as a newborn baby. So you will be drawing a small baby's picture in the first box. Children, the next two questions we will be doing later in our notebook. The next topic is One Day in the Life of Kusum. Let's see what Kusum does every day. For some pictures, the time is already written and we will draw the hands on the clock, and for others, we have to write the time shown by the clock. The first thing that is given is Kusum gets up early in the morning. A time is been shown in the clock where small hand, that is hour hand, is on 6 and minute hand is on 12. So it means it's 6 o'clock and it is in the morning. Next one, she brings water from the well at 6:30 in the morning. The time given here is 6:30. That means minute hand is on 6 and hour hand will be somewhere between 6 and 7, like this. Next one, she cleans her house. A time is been shown where the minute hand is on 6, that means 30 minutes, and hour hand is on 7, so 7:30 in the morning. Next one, she goes to school at 8 o'clock. The minute hand will be on 12 and the hour hand will be on 8, like this. Next one, she is studying in school. The time is been shown here where the minute hand is on 12 and hour hand is on 10, so it's 10 o'clock in the morning. Next one, she comes back from school at 1 o'clock in the afternoon. That means minute hand will be at 12 and hour hand will be at 1, like this. Next one, she takes lunch with her brother and grandmother. A time is been shown where minute hand is on 12 and hour hand is on 2. That means it's 2 o'clock and it is in the afternoon. Next one, she plays with her friends 5:30 in the evening. 5:30 means the minute hand will be at 6 and hour hand will be between 5 and 6, like this. Next one, she listens to a story from her grandmother before she sleeps 9 o'clock at 9. 9 o'clock means minute hand will be at 12 and hour hand will be at 9. Now you have to prepare a chart showing your own daily routine. That means you will write here 3 things. In the first one, you have to write the time in words. In the second one, you have to show that time with hands in the clock, and in the third one, you have to write what you do at this time. Similarly, you have to complete here also. I hope you understood the concept learnt today. Happy learning.